Join me as I dive into the Bentley.
These amazing cars. In this video, you'll discover the fascinating world of Bentley's factory, where luxury cars are born. Many people wonder how a brand maintains its prestigious reputation while also innovating in technology and sustainability. This is a question that gets to the heart of what makes Bentley so special. Their commitment to excellence is evident in every aspect of their manufacturing process. From the selection of the finest materials to the attention to detail in every component, Bentley's dedication to quality is unwavering. Their history is rich and storied, with a legacy that spans nearly a century. Throughout that time, they've consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible in the world of luxury automobiles. Today, they're at the forefront of innovation, exploring new ways to make their cars more sustainable and technologically advanced. The people who work at Bentley are passionate about what they do, and it shows in every car that rolls off the assembly line. They're not just building cars, they're crafting works of art that will be treasured for generations to come. As you might expect, cutting-edge technology plays a big role in the manufacturing process. From advanced robotics to sophisticated software systems, Bentley is leveraging every tool at their disposal to create cars that are both beautiful and performant. We'll take you through the intricate manufacturing process, showcasing the skilled artisans and advanced technology that contribute to each vehicle's creation. Every car that leaves the factory is a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the importance of craftsmanship. The process begins with design, where skilled artists and engineers work together to bring new ideas to life. From sketch to prototype, every stage of development is a crucial part of the journey. Once the design is finalized, production can begin. This is where the real magic happens, as expert technicians and artisans work together to bring the car to life. From the assembly of the engine to the installation of the interior, every step is carefully executed to ensure that the finished product meets Bentley's exceptionally high standards. Experience the moment when a car transforms from a collection of parts into a stunning luxury automobile, highlighting the craftsmanship involved. It's a truly breathtaking sight to see a car come together like this, and it's a testament to the skill and dedication of the people who build them. The finished cars are a marvel to behold, with sleek lines, luxurious interiors, and a level of performance that's hard to match. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just someone who appreciates the finer things in life, there's something special about a Bentley. When you see a Bentley on the road, it's easy to be impressed by its beauty and power. But what really sets it apart is the level of craftsmen.